He is also the chairman of Indian Institute of Welding, Baroda chapter, and also very active in the welding, though he is getting the Color Unit of Inox. But he is very active in the welding field.
Really go into it because welding का नाम लेते हैं तो spark दिखते हैं, hot weather, difficult to work, all such misnomers in our mind. But the days are changing and the welding is becoming very, very important. Any component, any equipment, any machinery, if you say, welding has to be there. Without welding, I think a branch to promote this as a career for women candidates or girl candidates. And I requested Dr. Pai to give me an opportunity to present this case study, sort of the plus experience of the live welding engineers who are in the field and enjoying the job. That's very important. So there are many opportunities for welding to the girl students as well.
Presentation will be covered by me and the rest by Vaishnavi. Women empowerment in various fields. There is a beautiful quote. I don't wish women to have power over men, but over themselves. It means you should only be able to control your lives and destiny. You should not rely upon the men. Now you must be wondering why we have not placed photographs of the successful businesswomen like Chanda Kochar and Arundhati. But if you see all that personalities, successful businesswomen, then what image you will carry? Like women are doing very well in the field of business. But when you see such kind of personalities like Dr. Kiran Bedi,
just as sir said, I have competed in National Welding Engineering competition this year and stood first runner-up in the at the national level. So thank you. This is a brief introduction of myself. I thank Acharya sir and Pai sir to give us this opportunity to share our knowledge, our experience to the young ladies which will come to this field or any other field. So let us go ahead with the scope in welding. Welder. When you think of a welder, welders are the skilled persons who join two materials with a heat or any pressure. This is the basic definition of a welder. So you may find these individuals in joining beams, steels, reinforcing roads in buildings, bridges and highways. Welding is associated with each and every metal used in the engineering field, fabrication field or any of the construction. So this is the one of the career you can choose. Next is underwater welder. Now you all will be surprised that what is underwater welder. So